In today's video, I am going to show you how to recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup. Therefore, without wasting any of your time, let's jump to the video. So in order to recover your deleted chats on WhatsApp without backup, you do not have to install any third-party application. Instead, what you have to do is to click and hold on this WhatsApp's logo, then click on App Info, go to Storage and Cache, and click on this Clear Cache option. Once you have done that, the second step that you need to do in order to recover your deleted messages on WhatsApp without backup is that you need to go to your file manager, click on all files, internal storage, Android, media, scroll down and click on com.whatsapp, select WhatsApp, then go to databases. Now select all these files, click on copy, go back to the previous folder, then go to backups. And now all you have to do is to paste all those files here. Once you have done that, your WhatsApp deleted chats will be recovered without backup. So that was it for this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.